Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I received my new Apple AirTag. As you can see, it's quite small, so it's quite convenient. You can use it on many kinds of things. You can just leave it in one place and you will find it. I like this lots because you can make it play some sound like this one. And so you can hear it. You can also get to set directions to your phones. It will open the Maps application and it will send to the location of the AirTag. I like this because you can put it like in your car, so if any case you go out and don't remember where you left your car, you can see your maps and where your AirTag is on. Another thing that I like is that you can put it on your wallet, and well, if one day you don't find your wallet on your house, you can play the sound and find your wallet, which is very convenient. These are very practical. I am gonna put it on my wallet actually because I tend to lose it upon my house a bit. So yeah, I really like it. I really recommend it. It was a great buy.